who understand righteousness and justice in every circumstance and integrity in every good path. For skillful and godly wisdom will enter your heart, and knowledge will be pleasant to your soul. Discretion will watch over you, understanding and discernment will guard you. To deliver you from the way of evil and the evil men, from men who speak perverse things and are liars, from those who leave the paths of uprightness to walk in the ways of darkness, who find joy in doing evil and delight in the perversity of evil, whose paths are crooked, and who are devious in their ways, to keep you from the immoral woman, from the seductress with her flattering words. For the upright, those who are in right standing with God, will live in the land. And those of integrity who are blameless in God's sight will remain in it, but the wicked will be cut off from the land. And the treacherous shall be forcibly uprooted and removed from it.